And today, we are here in the presence of our governor. Japheth is here, Zaire is here, Steve Mugaka is here from Nyamira, and we also have the chairman of KA, Mr. Honorable Caleb Kostani. Now, the other instructions that we were given is to come and confirm the status of this airstrip and ensure that it is also activated so that construction can start and it be completed, because for quite some time we've not had this airstrip operating and it was decommissioned, but now we are recommissioning it back under the instructions of His Excellency the President so that we can have this airstrip operating here in Kisii. He also gave us instructions to go to the SK grounds and check the status of that SK grounds, which is supposed to be moved elsewhere, so that we can have a state-of-the-art stadium built in that place so that it can cater for this area of southern, this is called Southern Nyanza area. And because, as you are aware, we are also doing the 3 pathways for our CBE program. The students that will be doing arts and sports, they would have a facility in Kisii that they can use as they are studying.